Hi, this is Rick Schultz. Just going to go over some of the instructions on how to start and shut off our furnace system. So come on in, we'll take a look. So there's three components that have to be on to enable the furnace. One is this compressor over here. And to turn the compressor on, there's a breaker right here, and it's marked compressor. That has to be turned on first. The second item that has to be turned on is the pump, and that switch is right here. The third item is back over here. And these are the furnaces. There's each one has its own switch to start. This is the top one. There's just an on-off switch, and then there's the bottom one right there, and it also tells you the condition. So it has to be done in order. The compressor first, the pump second, and third is to turn the furnaces on. So I'll go ahead and start those for you so you can see what that looks like. All right, so here's the compressor switch. It's going to start. Number two. It starts the water circulating. You should be able to hear the pump running. The pump is back here. Okay, so now the proper shutdown procedure at the end of the heating season, if you want to shut the furnaces off. First things first, you have to shut the furnace off by hitting the off button here. And then wait a minute or two for the hot water to circulate. Then shut the pump off here. And if it's the end of the heating season, you don't need the compressor on anymore, you can shut that off here. That's it. Thanks for watching.